The tilt cylinder controls movement for operation of the forklift. The difference between the tilt cylinder and the lift cylinder is that it controls the tilt movement of the forklift carrying and the angle of the forks to the ground. What is tilt cylinder forklift? The tilt cylinder is a double-acting hydraulic cylinder, meaning it can both push and pull its load. Generally, there are two tilt cylinders on the forklift, connecting the left and right stationary rails of the upright assembly to the frame. What is the difference between lift cylinder and tilt cylinder? The lift cylinder makes vertical movements of the mast possible, while a tilt cylinder tilts the mast, as well as hydraulic cylinders. We also have power steering cylinders. These cylinders push the wheels into directions for left and forklift hydraulics, tilt cylinder. The tilt cylinder is a double-acting hydraulic cylinder, meaning it can both push and pull its load. Generally, there are two tilt cylinders on the forklift, connecting the left and right stationary rails of the upright assembly to the frame. This feature provides
By master.
Kinukuha ni Lord.
Tama. Ito na yung mga nabaklas. Shout out
pala kay Nicknock Manok. The best friend ni Glenn.
Shout out kay Manok.
Nicknock Manok.
Nicknock! Knock! Shoutout! Shoutout nga pala sa partner ni Glenn. Yan, yung master ni Glenn. Si Nicknock. Nicknock!
Shoutout nga pala sa partner ni Rio na paikot. Napakatagal kumuha ng pyesa. Yan, master! Baliktad pa. Sabi sa'yo, mga ganito baliktad.
Ganun talaga. Kailangan may mali para may perfect. Ay, yung gwapong mekaniko, katabi nung gwapong technician din. Tingnan natin kung nakula.
Bago yan eh.
Kailangan talaga sabay.
Gas.
Kailangan tanggalin pa yung cheese.